Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pear martini. Now this was a request from one of the subscribers. I'm going to leave the recipe in the description for you. Alright, let's go. Alright, so for this cocktail we're going to need pear vodka, ginger liqueur, pear puree, honey syrup, and fresh lemon juice. Alright, we're going to start by making the pear puree. Now that we got that out of the way, let's make this drink now. Alright, we're gonna start by adding ice into a mixing glass. Two ounces of pure vodka. Half ounce of ginger liqueur. Half ounce of honey syrup, one ounce of pear puree, half ounce of lemon juice, well, I will strain it. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make a pear martini. Now if you guys like the video, give me some thumbs up. And if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers!